Hey, welcome to an unboxing of the one more SonoFlow Pro, model number HQ51. Oddly enough, it's kind of weird that they don't list SonoFlow Pro, like the name of the model, on the box. They list the model number instead. It's a little confusing because when I received it, I was like, what the heck is this? Is this the older previous model that I reviewed? A link to that review will be in the video description, but lo and behold, you have to confirm with the model numbers. So just interesting choice there from one more. So he has some stuff listed on the side of the box. One of the key selling points is the battery life. They claim you can get up to 100 hours of battery performance, which is absolutely nuts. So I'm gonna put it through the ringer. A link to the review will be in the video description. For now, we'll just continue on with the unboxing itself. So this is a bit tough to get here in Canada, hence the delay for the review, but it's finally released here and available through Amazon, not through One More itself, their website. And interesting enough, they packed a hard traveling case, and these are budget-friendly headphones, so I'm really pleased by that. Not expected, but I'm not complaining, right? And I got the denim color, just looks nice and sleek, something different for me to get a hold of. Really liking the color. Body feels okay. What do you expect as price point? But again, I'm going to kind of stretch it out and abuse it in the review. And let me just kind of increase the lighting there, get a better view of the headphones in a short matter of time when I get back to it. So now that the lighting's a bit better, you can see it better, and we'll continue on with the cables. So there is an auxiliary cable and a USB-A cable. Well, sorry, USB-A to USB-C that I'm aware of. And there it is, okay? Auxiliary cable I'm aware of as well, but I didn't know there was a physical control button in the middle. I didn't know that, and this is to me another bonus. Hard traveling case, auxiliary cable control, these are bonus factors to me at this price point, so not complaining, just very pleased to see those nice surprises in the box. And continuing on, you have the documentation. So one is just like more information about One More, and then here what seems to be the quick start guide. It looks pretty large, but it's in multiple languages. So that kind of explains why the documentation is large. That's pretty much it. So they look really sleek, but again, more information will be found in the review. The link to the review will be in the video description. So be sure to check it out. Check out my social media and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.